Hi friends, today we are discussing about the topic variables in Java. Firstly, what is variable means? A variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executing. Next, that means variable is the name of the memory location. It allocates some memory for the variable based on the data type of the variables. Okay. For example, int data is equal 50. That means here int is data type. Here data is variable name and 50 is the variable value. If you want to declare any variable, declare variable means you need to mention data type of that variable before the variable name. This is the declaration of variable and assigning the value to the variable at a time. We can declare the variable only without assigning any value. Here this is the variable name and this is the data type. The type of the variables in Java is local variables, instance variables and static variables. These are the three types of variables available in Java. Firstly, we discuss what is local variable. Local variable means a variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. That means whatever the variables we are declared within method of user defined methods, we have user defined methods, right? We can declare methods. Whatever the variables we declared within user defined methods, that is called local variables. We are not able to declare local variables using static keyword. And next, instance variables. Instance variable means a variable which is declared inside the class and outside of the method. That is called instance variable. That means outside of the method means outside of the main method, user defined method, not main method. That is called instance variable. That is also we are not declared as static. Next, static variable. Static variable means a variable which is using which is declared using static keyword. That is called static keyword, static variable. It is not local. It cannot be local. That means it is not a local variable. We can create a single copy of the static variable and share it throughout the instance of the all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variables happens only once when the class is created in the memory. The memory location for the static variable is allocated only once when the class is loading. That time only the memory location is allocated. We discuss the variables one by one through the program. Here public class A. We are declaring a class here simply to discuss about variables, static, instance and local. How where we declare and what is the scope of that variables, like that. Here we use the public because for visible this program to all. Here static int m equal 300. This is static variable because we are declaring this variable using static keyword. So this is called static variable. And we assign this value to 300. Next, we are defining one user defined method, void methodology method. Here we are using void. That means it doesn't return any value. Inside this method, we are declaring and assigning one variable. Int n equal 50. Here n is variable. And here we are implementing, we are declaring and assigning this value inside the user defined method. So this is called local variable. Yes. Next, here we are writing public static void main string aux. That means this is the main method. Here we are declaring one variable. Int sum equal to 350. This is intent variable. That means why? Because means this is we declared inside of the class but outside of the user defined method. So this is called instance variable. This is the simple declaration and using of the type of variables: static, local, and instance variables. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. I will explain. Thank you for watching.